Hello guys. Good morning. Today is so beautiful and amazing. As you can see, the sun is shining in there. Yeah. God bless you all. Today is my first vlog in this big city that we visited. So yeah, a friend of ours told us that there's an open market in this very street we had now. So we are going there to go and see how it look like. But I might not be showing you guys everything. Do bear with me. Anyhow, I video it is for everyone good, okay? So yeah, when I get there, I will be showing you guys how it looked like. And this is the city. It's a very big city. So we are going. Come with us, guys. See all these goodies by yourself as well. Oh my goodness. Woo. La, 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 la. Guys, here we are. The market is so big. Wow. Very, very big. Come on, take this side. Let's take this way. Let's take this way. Hmm? We are still in the market. Since that is yellow, it resembles the now wow. This place, there are new things, and there are also old things. Oh my goodness! I can see it. I can see it. What? Okay. All those diamond stuff. There are some new things, yeah. The same thing. Yeah. There are also old stuff, which is not encouraging. Let me see this one. Like these ones. What is this one? Let's go. Come. Here. These are lights. Oh, so strong. The light is very beautiful. Oh my goodness. So yeah. So beautiful. Just look at different types. Whoa. So beautiful. People are still buying things. So, okay, guys. God bless you. God bless you. Bye. No, you have to. Aima. Good girl. Hmm? We are off to supermarket, guys. That one is not working. Try this one. Okay. Guys, this is where we recycle our bottle. You can get your money back. In this place, you don't throw away your plastic bottle. You recycle them. If you have this symbol on it, you know that you are good to go to recycle your plastic. Take. Even can, you can also recycle your can. So you can see. Take. I don't. Guys, anyone you see this symbol, you can. Okay, that one is bottle. Oh my goodness. You see, this is what we have. Oh my goodness. You can dump it there now. Do you guys want apple? No apple? I think I need lime. Ooh. This lime is okay, right?
No.
Banana. Let's buy yogurt. No wahala. Ginger tea. And with lemongrass. Do you have? I think we need milk. There is conflict. We need salt.
Salt. 2 times salt. Mommy here.
Don't worry, put that one. No, this one is just for already red. Yogurt. This one. This one is okay. Guys, so we are picking something to eat, you know. leaving your house to another place is not easy. So, yeah. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. No.
Yes, I have. It's good.
This side is for yogurt. Yogurt.
No, but
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Strawberry is okay.
I don't know.
With this one, the one will like this one.
I like this.
What is this one? Timer.
Yeah, man, I got it.
Come.
No, wait, wait. Go for a minute. Go for a minute.
Okay.
Go for a minute. Pass.
Hello.
Yeah.
You forgot your phone. And the other one that you use for recycling the bottle.
Yeah, I just that one. When I just find I think I put it in there.
Under a 5. What do you expect? You're done shopping. You're about to go home. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. What's the matter? Hey! Put her inside the glass. New people, yeah, new people in a bigger city like Mahe.
That's bigger than Disneyland.
Eh?
There's only a tiny Disneyland.
Oh my goodness.
Come get one.
God, I thank you. Finally, we are finally done shopping. We're about to go home. And yeah, thank you all guys for staying with us. Please keep on watching our video, keep on liking, don't forget to subscribe and share, keep commenting. Thank you all. God love you more. I'm cooking stew with blended bottle tomatoes. But I do something. Please. Oi. The thing is not coming out at all. Excellent. Uh-oh. Wait.
Oh. It's okay, hold on.
This place is a very big park. So beautiful. Whatever you need is here. It's here. You can play, you can relax, you can have any kind of fun you want. We are going towards another spot. We just moved away from where we had before. Now we are moving down. We are here right now, and this side you can do any kind of sport you want here. This side is for kids, and why the other ones there over there, they are for the big people.
Hazır bardağını versene.
Do you guys want to stay more?
I think they're for grown-ups.
Yeah. For grown-up people.
Or we'll go to that one that we went back to then. Or we'll go to that one that we went back to then.